What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are doing yet another KHY review. And if you guys are new to my channel and you haven't seen my face or just know about KHY, it's basically a clothing brand designed by Kylie Jenner. I've literally been doing so many videos about this clothing brand, pretty much reviewing every single drop that has been released up to date. And I'm not gonna stop now. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the brand new drop. It is called the Kia and Sia Arnika. I think that's how you say it. It's basically a collaboration designed by a Danish designer called Sia Arnika. As you can see, it is pretty extra, pretty glamorous, and it's literally giving all the New Year's Eve vibes. I literally cannot believe we're in December. We're literally like a month away from 2025, and it's crazy to me. But I feel like this collab has dropped at just the right time. Like the sparkle is just giving such New Year's Eve vibes, and I feel like there's gonna be something for everybody in this collection. But of course, the prices are extortionate as always, as every single drop with KHY is, so I'm not really surprised there. Let's see, the most expensive item I think is around 150 pounds. Oh no, there is actually more expensive things. There's a dress for 205 pounds in this collab. There's like a pair of pants for 135 pounds, which is just crazy. So as you guys know, I normally pick up quite a few different variety of items in different colors, and I have everything right here in this bag. Everything that's inside this bag has come to a grand total of 748 pounds. That is a lot of money. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So I guess let's crack this open and get into it. Okay, so the first items we're gonna be trying out are these, and it's in like the neon green kind of sequin texture. As part of this range, she has released 3 different colorways. She's got this green one, she's got black, and then also like a champagne color. I thought I would start with the outfit that Kylie is actually wearing in like the cover photo of this collab. So first up, we have the top, which looks like this. I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of giving costume, just a slight, but it's definitely not costume in terms of like the quality. The quality feels really nice as far as a whole like sheet of sequin goes. It's got this really interesting sheer fabric that kind of lines the neckline of it, which I think is really cool. It's definitely gonna make it way less itchy. It's actually got a zipper in the side, and then it's got like a slight cutout on the front as well as the side. Can you guys see that? This is definitely giving a festive Christmas tree, that's for sure. And how much was this top exactly? This was 96 pounds. I think I'm gonna choke. I mean, Jesus Christ, that is a lot for a sequin top like this, but you know, we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it's worth it. And then for the shorts, I got the micro shorts, which is the same shorts that she was wearing in the outfit photo. This is what they look like. They're actually really cute. I feel like they're gonna be very, very showy on the backside, but to be honest, I'm not really ever gonna wear them out, so that's okay. This is what the texture looks like up close. It is so sparkly and so glittery. So I guess let's try these on together and see what they look like. All right, guys, so here is the first outfit, and I have to say, I genuinely feel so ridiculous in this. The shorts literally make me think of like a diaper. They just do not look good. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna put this bluntly. My ass is hanging out, and I'm not gonna show you guys. However, the top is kind of cute. I do see the vision, although it's a little bit hazy because it does kind of look like I've had a fight with a grizzly bear and I've just been slashed open. But clearly I won the fight with the grizzly bear because I'm still standing, right? I don't know. I just feel like this outfit is a little bit too much, and unless you like Kylie Jenner, where are you gonna wear something like this to? Like, seriously. So yeah, I don't think this is like me. In terms of the style, I probably wouldn't wear this, but I kind of already knew that even when I was buying it. I mainly just bought it just to show you guys what like the hero product of this collection was, because Kylie was clearly pictured in this, meaning it's her favorite. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really like it. I'm gonna give this probably like a 2 out of 10. Okay, the next outfit that I got is actually a combo of these 2 items here. First up, we have the sequin shawl tube top in black, and this top cost me £100. For £100, this better be lined with gold. I'm serious. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? What is going on? Is this like 2 different pieces of clothing. Oh, I think this is like the underlayer. So this is the tube top. That is so cool, actually. I did not realize this is how it came. So you can wear the tube top on its own, but if you want to, you can add the like off the shoulder part over it. I mean, I kind of get why this was £100 now, because it is pretty decently made. Like, it's ruched on the side. It has the versatility element because you can obviously wear the tube top with this or without this, which technically makes this like a two-way top. But yeah, this is actually something that I would probably wear for like New Year's Eve. It's not like too much, if you know what I mean. So that's the top. And then I also picked up the black pair of trousers, which were £135 to go with it. This is what they look like. I mean, yeah, they're literally just made of the exact same fabric. And actually, I got these in the extra small, and I'm hoping these are going to be nice and snatched. I just love how sparkly this is. This would be such an amazing outfit for like a night out. As you can see, these trousers are slightly flared on the bottom, but they're not like super flared. They are high-waisted. They have like a hidden waistband, and they look pretty comfortable from what I can see so far. So again, let's try this outfit on and see how it looks. All right, guys, so here is the black outfit and what it looks like on. I thought I would show you guys how it looks without the little off the shoulder section first. Honestly, I just love this outfit as it is. It's so nice and just really like understated. It's a strange thing because it obviously is quite flashy and like bougie, but it is also quite understated being black. I feel like if you wore this at nighttime, you would kind of like blend in, you know what I mean? But then when the light hits you and the flash cameras come out, you will literally be such a sparkling smoke show. So yeah, I really like the base outfit. The trousers are long. I mean, they always are kind of long from KHY. I am quite sure I'm about 5'4", so yeah, they definitely always run a bit long on me. But equally, with an outfit like this, you probably are going to be wearing high heels, so I'm kind of on my tippy toes right now, imitating wearing heels, and they do look okay. They would drag on the floor a little bit, but not too much. Right, now let's try this bit over the top and see how it changes things. Okay, here it goes. Okay, that is actually really cute. I really like that. The main thing that I like about this off the shoulder section is the fact that it's like detachable, so you don't have to wear it, but you can if you want to. It just makes your wardrobe even more versatile because you can obviously take this off and it's almost like you've got a whole new outfit underneath. But yeah, in my opinion, it definitely transforms the outfit quite a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 10 out of 10. I really like this whole thing. Okay, now moving on to the next item, we now have the dress. It is this one here. This one is called the sequin one shoulder gown in champagne, and this was £195. This is the second most expensive item from that whole collection, and I can't wait to see what it's like. Okay, color, it's all right. I really was expecting a slightly more like nudie version. I don't know, it's kind of giving like silvery gray more than nude. Normally when you think of champagne, you normally see like this kind of color, which is a little bit more like goldy. Whereas this is almost giving like gunmetal. I don't know. But anyways, here it is. This is what it looks like. It's pretty plain on the top. It's just got the one shoulder sort of strap feature. It then gets a little bit more interesting right here in like the hip area, where it's got this really nice like tied sort of effect. It's super ruched. I really like this area. It then has this huge dramatic slit on the side, which I think is going to be so perfect for the festive season. I don't really think that this dress warrants it being £135 though. Like, I do think this is super overpriced. But again, let's just try it on and see what it's like. Who knows, I might fall in love with it and completely change my mind on that. All right, so here's the dress. This is how it's looking. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting this to feel a little bit more well-fitted. I feel like it's a little bit baggy, like in this area here, and I definitely got my right size. It fits in the waist fine, it fits in the hips and everywhere else, but I just feel like there's a lot of like excess saggy sort of fabric right here. I don't know, I just would have expected it to feel a little bit more fitted, especially because KHY's clothing ranges are always very fitted and never really baggy. So yeah, I mean, this is how it's looking. I do think it looks looks quite like fancy and nice. I think the slit is definitely very, very dramatic. You can almost see my underwear. So if you were to wear this dress, you definitely want to wear like super high rise underwear to not show your underwear strap. But yeah, quality wise, it feels really nice. It's quite long. It definitely drapes on the ground a little bit, as you guys can see. By the way, the reason why I never go really far away from my camera is because my mic is like here. It's literally just out of shot, but if I go too far, it sounds like this, and I kind of have to shout. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I wouldn't say it's my favorite style or color by any means, and the fact that this was like over 100 pounds is crazy to me. I do like the ruched effect of this dress, and that's pretty much the only thing that I actually really like about it. So for this one, I'm gonna have to say I'm probably gonna give this like maybe a 5 out of 10. I'm a little bit on the fence about this one, but let me know your thoughts. And now moving on to the last item, we have yet another dress, and this time I got it in that like hero color of this collection. I feel like every time KYLIE drops like a collection, there's always that one color that's like really unique, and then the rest are just a little bit like boring. This is that color of this collection, and even though it's not really my favorite, I do think it is really festive and really cool. So this dress was 145 pounds, and once again, it has a lot of like cool mesh kind of fabric surrounding the sort of like neckline. I mean, it's definitely very like fashion. It's giving Vogue. It's definitely like a little runway moment. I actually really like the style of this dress. This is definitely something a little bit more in line with what I would see myself wearing on like New Year's Eve if I was going to like a party somewhere. It once again has like a slight ruching sort of detail right here. It's not super obvious, but it just gives it enough like texture to really show off like the sparkle. I do think this is cool, and I probably would have loved this in the black, but let's go try it on and see what it's like. All right guys, and here is the very last dress and what it looks like on. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of giving like Tinkerbell vibes. I used to love Tinkerbell growing up, so honestly, I am not mad about it. I think it's actually a really flattering design. I love the way that it's ruched in the front right here, and it kind of brings that shape into this little like pinched moment here. I actually do really like the mesh lining that it's got like here and here. That whole thing recurring throughout the collection is definitely a good move. Just because normally sequins, when they touch the skin, they're like very itchy and scratchy, but this just kind of gives it like a little membrane between your skin and the actual sequins. Don't get me wrong, you can definitely still feel that you are wearing sequins, especially in places like around the arm, so it's not the most like comfortable thing ever, but as far as sequin garments go, I would say this is one of the more comfortable ones I've tried in my life. Would I say that this dress is worth 145 pounds though? Probably not, but I do have to say it is very well fitted. The quality is decent, so yeah, it's kind of like if you have the money to splurge, sure, but otherwise I wouldn't say that this dress is like a must-have or that the quality is like revolutionary, because it isn't. All right, so those are all of the items that I purchased from the new collection. Let me know what your thoughts are on this collab. I do feel like the styles are unique enough to make it interesting. I like the sequins. It's the first time that KHY has ever released something like that. I am a little bit disappointed with like the color choices. I really like the black. I like the green. Like I said, it's not really my cup of tea, but I do appreciate it. But I think I would have loved for the like champagne to be a little bit more like beigey rather than the color that it is. And then I also think she definitely should have done like a burgundy or red, because obviously it's Christmas season. I would have so purchased that. So yeah, that's definitely a little bit of a missed opportunity there. She could have killed the Christmas and New Year's Eve like bird with one stone. Style wise, some of them I preferred more than others, but you know, I don't really have too many complaints there. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a trying on New Year's Eve dresses or something like that. I have been doing those types of videos every few years, but let me know if you guys want to see it this year. Anyways, that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.